How to do Hyperarch elevated towel curls.
You have to elevate the heel because the elite athlete's heel is suspended from the floor. All right, so you want to be pressing down on the ball of the foot and keep your heel elevated 1 centimeter or 1 inch off of the floor. Okay, and you're going to be moving your toes. You're going to be grabbing your toes. There are joints on the toes, and every joint has a purpose. They're to bend. You look at babies' toes, they're all able to bend. All right, a lot of people over the course of years lose this functionality. You need to build that. Okay, while you're doing this, now the people who have functional glutes, they're going to feel in the glutes. The people who don't will only feel in the foot. And guess what? Those people, they also have a lot of pain. A lot of knee pain, a lot of ankle pain.